Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how to download and install Telegram on Windows 10 operating system. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. So let us start. First of all, open your favorite browser and write down here google.com, and you can search here Telegram. Enter. Click on it. And you can see here it will download the setup file of Telegram for Windows 10 operating system. Now the Telegram has been downloaded. You can see here, click on it and click run, and the language here will be English. Click OK. Here you can see the destination folder. Click next, click next, click next, and click install. Now you can launch the Telegram on your desktop. Click finish. Now when this window appear on your desktop, you have to go to your mobile and open the Telegram, and on the Telegram on your mobile you have to click on settings and click on devices on your mobile and click link desktop device, and here you have to click here start messaging and scan that QR code from your mobile. Now you can see I have connected my mobile Telegram to this PC. Now I will be able to send message from my desktop using this Windows Telegram app. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks.